Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McCarrot, and today I'm doing something a little different again. I'm going to make a few ornaments, and I bought these little wood rounds off of Amazon, and I just primed them with Kills, and I literally just made my first ornament, and turned out really good, so I'm going to make some more. So what I have for colors is I'm going to be going my iridescent bronze, and this is the bloom recipe. Then I'm going to use my Bordeaux Red. It might be a little thick. I think I need to thin that down a little bit when I come back. And then this is the 24 karat gold. And these are both a little thick. I'm going to thin them down, but I'll get you down in a second with the pillow, which is my Multi-Pro. All right, I'll be back in a second. This is going to be really quick, guys. And I'm going to lay down a little bronze. And then the red. And then the gold. And then I'm going to lay another layer of each down. Just a dab. Just a little bit. And this is the bloom recipe, obviously. And I'm using my American Floetrol on this. I'll tell you what, I think the American Floetrol is every bit as good as the Australian Floetrol. It's just different. The cells come out much rounder to me. Okay, so there's that. Here's my white cell activator. That easy. Okay. Let's spread it out to the side a little bit. And I will be spinning this. So I got a good start here. So I'm going to voice over here real quick. One thing I learned throughout the process of this in the next few videos is that you need to get your pillow paint all the way over the edge before you start to spin. And give it a halfway decent spin, not too fast. I did have to coax it to the edge a little bit before, so I might be ready with my straw. The straws that I washed out last night. Come on, get to the edges, please. There we go. So what I was thinking about is, you know, having my neighbors over and then having these as little giveaways. I think that would be nice. Because I've got the best neighbors here in Asheville. Oh my God. Everybody is so, so nice. It really is fantastic. All right, let's give it one more. Oh, I'm actually getting some paint on the turntable. These guys are so little. I think they're going to be really cute. I've never made any ornament before. Yeah. So I clean up the bottom. Put it in my little slop bucket. And I'll have to paint the back. I did prime the back, but I'm going to have to paint it again once it dries. And then I'll probably just spray varnish this. I don't think I need a resonant. So that's about it for cleaning the edges, I think. Might touch it a little bit more. Yeah, easy peasy. Yeah, this is American Floetrol. Look at this, it's crazy. I'm happy with it. So there she is. And I'm back doing some more ornaments today. I did some gold and bronze and red last night. And one of the things I already learned is that it's best to get your paint, at least for me, to the edges before I really start laying anything down and spinning out, because it's already there. Because this is so small, it doesn't have much chance of getting to the edge, because there's just not enough pushing to the outside because of its size. I'm sure there's a physics reason for it. So anyway, I'm not sure even what colors I'm going to use. What I've been trying to do is explore getting peacock cells. After watching Lisa Marvin talk about laying down the colors in a certain way. So you would have a transparent or semi-transparent, and another semi-transparent or transparent, and then an opaque. So I'm going to try that. I've been trying it. I didn't see it working so hot, but maybe it's just too small to get the appreciation. So let's see what I got here. Let me start with a bronze first. Now, the Modern Masters bronze is a semi-opaque. But it's just going to be like the base of the colors that I'm going to lay down. And I'm laying down several colors here. So let's go. So I know my red's opaque. I know my yellow's opaque. So I know this metallic green is opaque. So this is Phalo green by Golden. And I know green and gold is probably not supposed to go together. And that's a transparent. I probably should have laid this down first, because this is a semi, and it's Arteza's Pearl. Arteza's Pearl Pistachio. And then let's lay, sorry, the yellow. This is an opaque. It's my cadmium yellow combo. Okay, now let's go back to this. And then I did it again. Dang it. Oh, there goes the heater. It's time for voiceover. And now I'm going to lay down the red, which is an opaque. This is Bordeaux Red by Arteza. Yeah, so I'm going to pick up the pace here because the heater's on and it just kind of drowns out all the sound. So right here, I'm mixing up and putting on my white cell activator. And that's all I'm going to use for this. I'm going to blow it out and see what we get. I'll be back when I need to talk some more. So right here, where the pillow paint hadn't gotten to cross over the edge yet, the composition's not crossing over either. So that's why you got to make sure that the pillow paint is actually crossed over the edge. So when you spin, it can stretch and pull away from the center. So around the red cells, there are peacock colors within the green and the yellow. You can see it. So it does work. It's interesting. Going a transparent or semi-transparent, then another one, and then an opaque. And I don't know why. I'd like to know the why behind it. Not just that it does, but why it does it. So because I had music playing on this one, I'm going to double time and voiceover. That there is my Prizm Pour Violet Rose. This is Arteza's Pearl Rose. And then I've got my Golden Quinacridone Magenta. And then this is the Cadmium Yellow, I think by Liquitex. And then I've got my combination Golden Phalo Green with Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and follow all of it up with the 24 karat gold iridescent gold by Golden combo. So this is my white cell activator by American Floetrol, my black, and always mix it before I start. Give it a good blow, and this one blew out really nice. And one of the little tips I've learned just in getting this far with these little ornaments is to make sure that all the paint is covered over the edges, because even on the blow, it pretty much went all the way to the edges before I even have to spin. So yeah, I just showed you where we're starting from, and then I'm going to spin away, and you're going to see it in the end. So yeah, that's a wrap on this guy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and take care till next time.